Good day everyone, welcome to Martin Online Maths class. In the last video that I posted, one of my subscribers requested for me to do a video on rationalization of cell. But before I go straight to what rationalization is, let's briefly look at what cell is. If you look at the board, you see that cells are irrational numbers in the form of roots. For example, now cell 2, cubed of 4, fifth of 7, etc. And most of the times we concentrate more on quadratic cells, which is irrational numbers whose roots are what? Which are square root of a number. Then, if we talk about rationalization of cells, we do rationalization of cells when we want to divide a cell. For instance, now we have A over cell B. This is a fraction that contains cell in the denominator. So, if I want to evaluate this and simplify this fraction, I need to rationalize this fraction. And to do that now, what I need to do is that I need to multiply the numerator and denominator of this fraction using the sum of the denominator. And the essence of doing that is to make the denominator a rational number. That is so that rational number is a number that we can express as a ratio of two integers. For us to work this now, if we want to rationalize A over cell, we have A over cell B times cell B over cell B. A times cell B is equals to A cell B. And cell B times cell B will give us B. Because a rule of cells say that if you have two cells, that is two quadratic cells, that have the same rational number inside the root side, that the answer is equals to rational number inside the root side. That is, if you recall from the rule of cells that cell n times cell n is equals to n. Okay, so let's pick one example. We have to rationalize 2 over cell 7. Here now, the denominator contains cell. To solve this now, look at solution. We have 2 over cell 7. What we need to do now is to multiply the denominator and numerator of this fraction using the cell of the denominator, which is now times cell 7 all over cell 7. 2 times cell 7 equals to cell 7, and cell 7 times cell 7 will give us 7, which is the answer. So I hope you like the video. You can subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. In our next video, we're going to look at how to rationalize a cell that contains a binomial expression in the denominator. Thank you.